There is one person in there. He's the owner, business owner of 314 employees, man. How many employees? 314 employees are there in his company. In his company. Once this person entered into the office premises, full silent, because this person is that much strict. Everyone is scolded like anything, man. Every person is scolded like anything to every person. Okay, like 314 employees. Almost all these 314 employees are enemies to the business owner, believe me. Enemies to the business owner. Then this person attended his workshop. Then, what is the bigger mistake this person is doing? He identified that. Scolding, criticizing, okay, complaining, these kind of things are completely useless. He identified that. He started understanding the people. He started communicating with the people. He started mingle with the people. Now, all these 314 employees will become his best of friends. So earlier they were enemies. They became his best of friends. Even a sweeper in a position to call this person by name. That much freedom, that much attachment. So he built with the employees. Then obviously, can you please imagine what is the success of that company? Is it going to be happen or not? If the growth is going to be happen for that company or not?
Definitely, yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, they owned that organization. He owned those people. That thing must be required.